Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious whipped cream from Amul fresh cream. First, ensure your Amul fresh cream is very cold, ideally chilled for at least 12 hours. This is crucial for proper whipping. Also, use a large mixing bowl and beaters that have been chilled. For a touch of sweetness, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar to the cream before you begin. Now, let's get whipping. Start your mixer on a low speed, then gradually increase it to medium-high. You'll want to whip the cream until soft peaks begin to form. This usually takes around 5 to 7 minutes, depending on your mixer and cream temperature. Be careful not to overwhip, as this can cause the cream to become grainy or even separate, which we definitely want to avoid. To achieve that perfect, fluffy consistency, continue whipping until stiff peaks hold their shape firmly when you lift the beaters. The cream should look light, airy, and have roughly doubled in volume. At this point, you can taste it and adjust the sweetness if you like. Your homemade whipped cream is now ready to elevate any dessert or beverage with its delightful texture and flavor. For best results, serve your freshly made whipped cream immediately. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. For added stability, especially if you're preparing it in advance or for a warm environment, consider adding about 1/4 teaspoon of cornstarch to the cream before you start whipping. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.